So this is a continuation of the Getting Started training for the NX2. In the last training, we installed the Zephyr SDK and extracted that or copied the Zephyr SDK onto our device, and then extracted that into our folder. And you can see that extraction here. So in this training, we'll be using PowerShell again within the VS Code to set up our PowerShell profile. So first, we're going to copy a few commands again. And this will be the last training before we're able to make a build on the NX2 SDK. So we're gonna type this command, and it should show if we have a profile already existing. Assuming we do, we're going to open our profile in Notepad. I'm going to go ahead and show Notepad here. Oh, closed down, so let me try that one more time. There we go. So here is Notepad, and we're going to copy some content into Notepad to set up our profile. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a copy here. We can separate this a little bit. You can pause the video to make this copy. Let me make sure everything is correct. I think that should be correct. So I'm going to save this, close, and open it one more time and confirm that everything shows up. So we can see now when I open Notepad, it's no longer blank. What we copied the last time is in there, so the profile should be saved. And we're going to go ahead and close down this training. So in the next one, we'll attempt to make our first build of the NX2 SDK and generic application.